leaderboard. 33.5, the score to beat. Overkill Evolution. As we take a look at the scores for Metal Militia and Todd LeDuc. Was it enough to take the spot sitting next to the trophy? Here come Metal Militia scores. We'll drop the high, we'll drop the low. We'll add that together. A 28.5 with a bonus of 0. Your Monster Jam World Finals Freestyle Champion is Mike Sauter from second.
Are you kidding me right now? This is unbelievable. Las Vegas, I love you. I've never even had a stadium win in my life. This is my first stadium win, and I did it in Las Vegas. I give my hats off to all these awesome drivers, these awesome fans, and we did it. And I'm gonna burn that truck into the ground. We did it. God put me here. Mom, Dad, Brooke, everybody. Thank you. I love you.
Look at that right there. That's ridiculous.
Thank you for an amazing Monster Jam World Final 16. You can see the replay of the winning freestyle from Mike Wouters II at Overkill Evolution as he celebrates.